We have Burb. He's not too happy. We're going to take him and put him out so maybe he can get better and fly away. Right, little guy? Right? Hey, Rye, can you get the door, bud?
I don't see the thing who did.
Oh, there's the instigator.
Between the moon.
Alright, so we're going to put him up here. Yeah. Here's the guy that started it all. You can see his fluffy butt. Ready to escape off the porch so we don't grab him. What do you think, little guy? Hmm?
He's a boat.
He is. Touch the screen for me so it... No, right in the middle. There you go. There we go. Just another country morning. So much going on. So much going on. You're in a busy place, little guy. Here, touch the screen again so we can... There we go. There we go. Alright, we're gonna put you up. Like a little Easter egg. I can't really see you. Hopefully he'll be safe there. I think he's gonna hang out and hopefully recover.
Right.